Is now the right time to make a move with Intel stock? Today, we're delving deep into Intel, providing you with an even more comprehensive analysis following our initial report published on our website on Friday, December 29, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest analysis. It's crucial not to miss any significant updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and access free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Since November 3, 2023, our system has identified Intel as a buy candidate, with a score of 2.60. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Investors who followed our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 31.75% since we first listed Intel as a buy candidate 39 days ago. On average, that's a return of 0.81% per day since it was listed as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in the upper part of a strong rising trend in the short term, which presents a potential opportunity for short-term traders to sell. Typically, we can expect the stock to react and move towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the stock breaks above the top trend line at $51.25, it will indicate a stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 41.87% change in the stock over the next 3 months. This suggests a possible return ranging from 22.12% to 44.69%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it indicates a 47.53% change over the next year, with a potential return ranging from 3.95% to 49.41%. This means that after a year, the stock price could fall within the range of $52.23 to $75.08. Our latest update on Intel brings you the headline, Red Day on Friday for Intel. On the last trading day, which was Friday, December 29, 2023, the Intel stock price experienced a decline of 0.278%, dropping from $50.39 to $50.25. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated by 1.61%, ranging from a low of $49.77 to a high of $50.57. In the past 10 days, the price has risen in 6 instances, showing an overall increase of 11.22% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume on the last day witnessed a rise of 2 million shares, despite the falling prices. This could serve as an early warning sign, indicating a slightly increased risk over the next few days. In total, approximately 29 million shares were bought and sold, with a total value of around $1.47 billion. Looking at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded price was $51.28, while the lowest recorded price was $24.73. Currently, the stock is trading at a price that is 2%, or $1.03, below its 52-week high, and 27.48%, or $19.04, below its all-time high, which occurred on January 24, 2020, when the price reached $69.29. Today, we'll be discussing the latest analyst ratings for Intel. On Monday, December 18, 2023, Needham upgraded INTC's rating to neutral. Moving on to Friday, December 15, 2023, Deutsche Bank also upgraded INTC's rating to neutral. Bank of America Securities followed suit on the same day by upgrading INTC's rating to neutral as well. A few weeks earlier, on Wednesday, December 6, 2023, KGI Securities upgraded INTC's rating to outperform. Lastly, on Thursday, November 16, 2023, Telsey Advisory raised INTC's rating to buy. According to analysts, Intel stock is generally rated as a buy. The PE ratio is considered a strong buy, and the price-to-book ratio is also rated as a strong buy. However, for return on investment, the analysts give the stock a rating of neutral. Today, we will be discussing the signals that have been identified for Intel. Let's dive in. The Intel stock has received buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which indicates a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal when the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of any downward corrections, there will be support from the lines at $48.96 and $44.28. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, sell signals will be issued. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also indicates a buy signal. On the other hand, there have been some negative signals that may influence the near short-term development of the stock. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, December 27, 2023, resulting in a -1% decrease so far. It is anticipated that the stock will continue to fall until a new bottom pivot is found. Notably, volume rose on falling prices yesterday, which can be seen as an early warning sign. It is advised to closely monitor the stock's performance in light of this. Today, I want to share with you some interesting signals to keep an eye on in the stock market. First, let's talk about the moving average convergence divergence. It's currently giving a buy signal. Next, we have the pivots indicator, which gave a sell signal 3 days ago. The Bollinger Bands are also showing a buy signal from 3 days ago. If we focus on short-term moving averages, they provided a buy signal 16 days ago. Similarly, long-term moving averages have shown a buy signal 43 days ago. Additionally, the relationship between short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 40 days ago. Now, let's zoom out and take a look at the 12-month chart. The short-term moving average gave a buy signal 16 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 45 days ago. Furthermore, the relationship between short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 190 days ago. These signals can provide valuable insights for your investment decisions. For more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Intel. When it comes to Intel's stock, it's important to consider the support levels. Currently, the stock finds support just below today's level at $46.16 and $45.18. Support levels act as a safety net for the stock's price, but there's always a natural risk involved when testing a support level. If the support at $46.16 is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level at $45.18 and even further down to $43.35. Moving on to the risk factor, Intel has average movements during the day, making it a relatively stable stock. With good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Looking at the stock's recent performance, it had a price range of $0.800 between its highest and lowest points in the last day, which accounts for a 1.61% fluctuation. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 2.18%. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for Intel, let's begin by understanding some essential fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio is vital as it measures a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that a company has negative earnings or is losing money. Established companies can go through downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios can indicate insufficient profit and potential risks of bankruptcy. Now, let's move on to some recent news. The next earnings report for Intel for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on January 25, 2024. According to analysts' consensus estimates, the expected earnings per share for this period are $0.430. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, let's dive into the potential day trading levels for Intel. If the stock follows an upward trend, the first resistance level for Intel is at $50.39. If you're considering entering a position and don't own any shares yet, it might be wise to wait until this level is breached. On the other hand, if you're already holding the stock, this level could be a potential opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, Intel faces its first support level at $46.16. If this support level holds, it could be a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound in the stock price. Analysts from multiple sources have given Intel an average buy rating. Now, let's take a closer look at some recent insider trades. On December 22, 2023, Patrick P. Gelsinger, an insider, bought 13,063 shares of common stock. On December 22, 2023, Patrick P. Gelsinger, another insider, sold 6,477 shares of common stock. On December 22, 2023, Patrick P. Gelsinger, yet another insider, sold 13,063 shares of restricted stock units. On December 3, 2023, David Zinsner, an insider, bought 5,283 shares of restricted stock units. On December 3, 2023, Christoph Schell, another insider, bought 5,283 shares of restricted stock units. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is calculated to be negative with a ratio of -8.835. Overall, insiders have purchased 338,672 shares and sold 407,312 shares in the last 100 trades. In this video, we'll be discussing our recommended stop loss for this stock. This particular stock experiences medium daily movements, which means it carries a moderate level of risk. The RSI 14, a technical indicator that measures momentum, is currently at 81, indicating a higher level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal from a pivot top that was identified just 2 days ago. Is Intel stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, there are several positive short-term signals and a generally favorable trend, indicating that Intel stock may present a buying opportunity in the near future. However, it's important to note that our systems have identified that the current price is overvalued, considering the volatility in movements from the last trading day. Looking ahead to Tuesday, January 2nd, we anticipate Intel to open with a decline of $0.0534, starting the trading day at $50.20. Before we begin, let's establish a crucial point. Trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It's essential to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions with regards to securities. Remember, StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so please share your thoughts in the comments below. We're also curious to know your target for the stock. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more valuable content. Our team wishes you successful trading and a wonderful day. Thank you for being a part of our community.